Hello and welcome students. In the last video lecture, I had explained you 4 yearly moving average method and practical sum related to it that we had done. Now in this video lecture, I am going to explain you the third type of moving average, that is 5 yearly moving average method. For that, I am teaching you question number 3 of exercise 4.3, that is on page number 177 of your textbook. First of all, let us read that question. Find the trend using 5 yearly moving average from the following data of profit of a trader in different years. It means from the data that has been given to you of profit of a particular trader, you have to find the 5 yearly moving average. It would be clearly mentioned to you students that which type of moving average, whether 3 yearly, 4 yearly or 5 yearly, which type of moving average you have to find out, that will be clearly mentioned to you in the question. Okay, so here it has been told to find the 5 yearly moving average of the profit of a particular trader, okay, of different years. As you can see on the board, the first column that I have written of year, that is mentioned in the question, that is from year 2007 up till 2015. The second column, that is of time, starting from the ascending to descending order, starting from 1 up till the last number of year, that is 9. Okay. Next one, that is profit, that I have considered as Y, that is also given to you in the question, that is 15, 14, 18, 20, 17, 24, 27, 25, 23. So these 3 columns I have just placed it from the question. Okay. Now afterwards, the next 2 columns that are important over here. As you can see, the 4th column heading I have given 5 yearly moving total, and the last column heading is moving trend. Okay, 5 yearly moving trend. Okay, first of all, how to find the total over here? Students, the 5 yearly moving average is almost similar to 3 yearly moving average method. Only the basic difference is there, that in case of 3 yearly moving average, the first and last value was nil. Okay, over here in case of 5 yearly moving average, first 2 and last 2 values would be nil. Okay, and in another basic difference between the 2 methods is that in case of 3 yearly moving average, you are doing the total of 3 values of y, but in case of 5 yearly moving average, you have to do the total of 5 values of y. Okay, so that is the main difference, otherwise the calculation remains the same. Okay, now starting with this total, first 2 values, students keep it as nil only. In the same way, you keep the last 2 values as nil, so no any mistake would occur while doing the totaling. Okay, now after keeping the first 2 values as nil, starting with the third calculation, you can see I have done the total of y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus 5, 4 and plus y5. Okay, so total of y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5, that comes to 84. Okay, so first answer that comes total of 5 yearly moving total, that is 84. Now that same total I have to take in the next value, that is 84. Okay, 84 minus, now I subtracted 15, that is y1. Okay, so minus 15, and last value that I added, that was 17, that is y5. Okay, so next value that I will add, that is y6, that is 24. Okay, so plus 24. So 84 minus 15 plus 24 is equal to 93. Next, that same total I will take the next value, 93 minus, last I have subtracted, that is 15, that was y1. Now next value that I will subtract, that is 14, that is y2. Plus, last I have added 24, that is y6. Next I will add, that is 27, that will be y7. Okay, so 93 minus 14 plus 27 is equal to 106. Okay, next same total I will be taking the next addition also. So 106 minus, last I have subtracted, that is 14, that was y2. Now I will subtract 18, that is y3. Okay, so 106 minus 18 plus, last I have added 27. So next value that I will add, that is 25, that is y8. Okay, so plus 25. So 106 minus 18 plus 25 is equal to 113. Okay, next that same total in the next value, 113 minus, last I have subtracted, that was 18, that is y3. Next I will subtract, that is 20, that is y4. Okay, so 113 minus 20 plus, last I have added 25. Okay, now I will add last value, that is 23, that is y9. Okay, so 113 minus 20 plus 23 is equal to 116. And last two values would come nil because after 23 there is no any value of y given to us. So easily last two total would not come anything. You have to keep it as it is, that is nil. Okay. Now after doing the total of 5 yearly, you have to find the moving trend. In case of 3 yearly moving average, you are dividing each and every value or each and every total with 3. Over here you have to divide each and every total with 5. Okay. So here you can see all the total that we have got in the previous column that I have divided with 5. Okay. So 84 divided by 5 is equal to 16.8. First two values keep it as nil. Okay. You have to always start your calculation with the third value in case of 5 yearly moving average. Okay. Next one 93. So 93 divided by 5 is equal to 18.6. Then afterwards 106 divided by 5 is equal to 21.2. Students, only you have to take care that the total there should be no any mistake. If in the case of total, if any mistake is occurred in doing the addition or subtraction, then actually the trend will not come correct. Okay. So if your total is coming correct, then it is very easy to find the trend because that you have to do with the help of calculator and all the values of total that you have to divide by 5 only. Okay. Now 93 divided by 5 is equal to 18.6. Then afterwards 106 divided by 5 is equal to 21.2. Then afterwards 113 divided by 5 is equal to 22.6. And last one 116 divided by 5 is equal to 23.2. And last two values that will be. Okay. So this is very easy calculation. 3 yearly and 5 yearly, that is almost same and quite easy calculation. Okay. So this will score you 5 marks in the board examination. Now same type of sum that I have taken one more for your extra practice, that is in exercise number 4, that is section E. Okay, exercise 4, that is section E, and question number 5, that is on page number 181 of your textbook. Okay, that is similar to the 5 yearly moving average. One more sum I have taken for your extra practice. Okay, let us read that question number 5, page number 181. Okay. The quantity index number of consumption of edible oil in a state are given in the following table. It means the index number of consumption of the edible oil of the particular state that are given to you of different years. Find the trend using 5 yearly moving average. It is clearly mentioned in the question that you have to find 5 yearly moving average. Okay, so same data as you have done the calculation of previous sum, same way you have to do the calculation in this sum also. It is same like the previous sum. Year that is from 2005 up to 2015, that is given to you in the question, that I have placed as it is in the first column of year. Second one, that is T, you are going always starting with 1 and ascending to descending order up to total 11 years. Data has been given to you. Okay, then afterwards Y, that is index number, that is given to you in the question only. So that same value that I have put in the third column, that is 150, 121 and so on up to 125. Okay. Now these three data have been given to you in the question. Next two columns that we have to do it on our own. Fourth column that would be the total of 5 yearly, and the last column that will be the 5 yearly moving average trend. Okay. So here you can see the fourth column heading that given 5 yearly moving total, and the last column that is 5 yearly moving trend. Okay. So first of all, you are knowing very well that the first two total you don't have to do in the same way. Last two total also will not be there. So you have to do blank dash so that you don't make mistake in that. So do nil in the first two and the last two values. Okay. Then afterwards you have to start your calculation with the third value. Okay. So in the case of third value, the total of the first 5 y you have to do. That is y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. Okay. So here you can see I have done 115 plus 121 plus 119 plus 120 plus 170. Total that came to 592. Okay. Then afterwards, next that same total I am taking in the second value. So 592 minus previous one. First I will do the subtraction of the first value of y, that is y1. Okay. So 592 minus 115 plus next value after 117, that is y5. Next I will add, that is 119, that is y6. Okay. So 592 minus 115 plus 119 is equal to 5 minus last I have subtracted, that is 115. So next I have subtract, that is 121, that is y2. Okay, so 596 minus 121 plus last I had added 119. So next value that I will add, that is 120, that is y7. Okay, so 596 minus 121 plus 120 is equal to 595. Next, that same total I will take the next value. So 595 minus the last I had subtracted, that is y2 121. Now I will subtract, that is y3 119. Okay, so 595 minus 119 plus last I have added, that is 120. So next value that I will add, that is y8, that is 118. Okay, so 595 minus 119 plus 118 is equal to 594. Okay, that same total again in the next value. So 594 minus last I have subtracted, that is y3 119. Now I will subtract, that is y4, that is 120. Okay, so 594 minus 120 plus last I have added y8, that is 118. Now I will add, that is y9, that is 116. Okay, so 594 minus 120 plus 116 is equal to 590. Okay, next that same total in the next value. So 590 minus last I subtract, that is 120. Now I will subtract next value, that is y5, that is 117. Okay, so minus 117 plus last I added, that was 116. 116, that was y9. So next value I will add, that is y10, that is plus 124. Okay, so 590 minus 117 plus 124 is equal to 597. Last one, that same total I will take in the next value. So 597 minus last I have subtracted, that was 117, that was y5. Now I will subtract, that is y6, that is 119. Okay, so 597 minus 119 plus last I have added, that was 124, that was y10. Okay, next value that I add, that is y11, that is 125. So that is the last value of y. Up till there only we have to calculate, we have to carry forward our addition or total. Okay, so 597 minus 119 plus 125 is equal to 603, and last two values that would come as okay. In the same way, you have to find the trend. Trend is very easy, students, because once you get the correct total of 5 yearly moving average, then in case of trend, you have to just divide all the totals with 5 only. So it is very easy for finding the trend. Okay. So here you can see the last column, first two values would come in, and starting from the third value, that is 592 divided by 5, that came to 118.4. Next one total, that is 596 divided by 5, answer came, that is 119.2. Next one, that is 595 divided by 5 is coming 119. Then afterwards 594 divided by 5 is equal to 118.8. Next one, 590 divided by 5 is equal to 118. Next one, 597 divided by 5 is equal to 119.4. And last one, that is 603 divided by 5 is equal to 120.6. Students, every time in case of 5 yearly, don't forget to put the first two values and last two values in case of total and in case of trend as nil, so that you don't write the wrong total at wrong place. Okay, so in this way, this calculation is to be done for 5 yearly moving average. So that's the end for today's video lecture, students. In the next video lecture, I will be teaching you few of the different and typical sums of exercise 4. Till then, goodbye. Keep practicing. Stay blessed.